Back to why. Why? 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 Constructivism. When I was growing up, there was a song that essentially stated, I can give it to you, but what are you going to do with it? In other words, you transform the data into information and reach for knowledge. From your perspective, for example, I could give you a horse, but can you get any benefit from the horse? I want you to grasp the why. Decision time. The beauty of doing math problems that require logic using an order of operations is each step requires a decision. You must decide on which operation to do first. Once again, the beauty of doing math problems that require the use of order of operations is each step requires a decision. You must decide on which operation to do first. This is technically before you calculate part of the math problem. Then the process repeats itself. With this problem set found in that free algebra workbook, you will work with multiplication only. So work problems from left to right at this time. See the description below for the free algebra workbook.